Hi guys! In this video, we're going to make the API call, so let's start working on that. First, let's create a use effect where we include the debounce logic and the API call. We'll begin by trimming the query to make sure we don't run anything when the input is empty. Then we'll set a timeout to create a debounce, which waits until the user stops typing before making the API call. Next, we'll use the result from the API and store it with the setCocktailState hook we defined earlier. We'll also set the loading state to true before making the request. All of this will be wrapped in a try-catch block to handle any errors, and in the finally block, we'll set loading back to false and clear the timeout function. Finally, we'll add query and dispatch to the dependency array so the effect runs every time the user types something in the search box.
Next, we'll add a loading state to indicate that data is being fetched from the backend. We'll also add a flat list to display the items. First, import flat list from React Native. Then pass data, our cocktail state, set a key extractor, and define render item. Inside render item, use a view as the main container, a touchable opacity, and another view wrapping the image and text. Add a list header component that shows conditionally only after the user finishes typing. Finally, add a divider using item separator component. That's it for today. In the next video, we'll dispatch add search so that every time a user taps on a drink, it's saved locally. We'll also add navigation to view the drink's details. Stay tuned and follow us for more.